Good afternoon, cyber traders, and happy Friday in this boiling weather in New York. Hopefully, everybody's doing nice and cool where you are. What's good about doing day trading? You do it right from the luxury of your own home with the nice little air conditioning, and if you don't want to, nobody will say anything. But all looking good. Good to see you, Amy. Good to see you, Ed, Derek, Ron. Good to see you, George, Lita. Happy Friday to you too, Pamela. You know? And you know what? That's pretty funny you said that, Pamela. I actually did just have cucumbers. My cucumber garden just literally just took off. I couldn't believe it. I haven't. I probably get like 5 to 10 cucumbers a day. Now I know why. When I went to the supermarket, it was so cheap. I mean, there's so many of them, right? Unbelievable. All right. Anyway, so enough chit chat. Let's get right into business. Okay. There was a lot of good stocks that made some great moves. I want to talk a little bit about this stock right here. The stock CARA, what a great run up this morning. I know a lot of you guys were able to catch that big morning move right at the morning. That one went right at the gate from 14 all the way to 16. And then you could see now it just broke it through a major resistance levels around that 16 and now went to 1650. I still like this stock. This stock looks awesome. Only little concern, you got to be careful with it, is that it doesn't have a lot of good iceberg orders, a lot of 100-share tier sizes. And, remember, if the orders are not there for you to trade the stock, it's going to make it a little difficult to get in and out of it. So you got to be really careful when it comes to that. So that's CARA, nice winner, nice little mover. All right, another big mover right out there that was also did really well was the Yelp, YELP. That one, I mean, it did a little bit of a nasty shake in pre-market. A lot of us caught it early. If you had it at at 37.62, and when we did our meeting around 9 o'clock, we were looking awesome. It did back off right here. We all know about the 5-minute rule. Boom, at 38, thing went all the way to 40. Cha-ching. That's what I call a nice little winner right there. Fast, easy, no arguments. All right, another one that also did well that was from the morning picks was Weight Watchers. The only thing about Weight Watchers that it did a nasty shake here right around the 315. It went all the way back down from the 39 down to 37, and bam, 37 to 42. I mean, Oprah Winfrey, there you go. Cash in on that, Weight Watchers. All right, Lumber Liquidators, another morning mover. Breaking a little bit of a Fausto flag right here, breaking higher highs, another stock. It's so funny. If you look at every single one of these stocks, they all did exactly what we were taught in class, why you only trade the first 30 minutes of the open. So today was just an easy winning day. And there was a lot of them out there. Also, the AAOI, great little short. I still like this thing going down on the downtrend right here. I'm going to still keep it on my watch list. AAOI. That was also one of the morning picks. I thought it was going to be a dead cat bounce. Obviously, whatever this company did not go well with Wall Street wanted. CARA, like I said, we got that one on our list already, right? Yeah, I think that's about it. I think we got them all. Any of them I'm missing? I think I got all of them. My favorite was the TEVA. Oh man, the poor TVA, man, right? Didn't we? That was another one that we had this morning too, right, Ken? We looked at it. There was no dead cat bounce on that one. That thing just came straight down right out of the gate at 9:30. Went from 23 all the way back down to 20. Another big winner. I'm gonna have to give that one a car crash. Didn't work too well for that one. But overall, it was a really, really good Friday morning. Very rare to have days like this on Fridays. We didn't have a lot out there, but we sure did pretty well. What we did have, I was actually quite shocked that we had a lot more of the morning stocks on the watch list, that there was definitely a lot to go around. So if you missed one of them, you got the other one. And the GoPro, I know we had this morning, and I told you I really wasn't a fan of GoPro. I know GoPro for a long time. We watched this stock for a long time and take some nasty hits here and there, but you could see it had a lot of nasty shakes. So a good thing we focused on the other ones and not this one. Now, listen, this one stock, this rail stock right here, It is a beautiful chart. My only problem I had with it was the volume. I don't know what the story with the volume is, but you know what? That stock moved pretty substantial. So I don't know if what's the story with this volume, but I'm going to put this stock. You know, it's not tradable just on the volume, but I don't know. I have a queasy feeling about that stock right there. That even with that low volume, something is going on with it. All right. Now the EFII. I don't know if you guys saw this on the short side, but this thing still looks like a short, down almost 50%. Obviously, what they came up didn't work out too well too. So the EFII probably still looks like a short going into the close. The AAIO we already have already. We're going to keep that. And the I mean, there's a lot of nice little shorts out there. I mean, even this one, this TRVG, look at that. Breaking lower lows. Looks like it's testing support levels just below 16 right here. But if it breaks this $16 price range, $15.90, and it's about, what, 50 cents away, this thing could go all the way down to 14. So I would say another stock I would like to keep an eye on. All right, as the New York Stock Exchange goes, Yelp, you know, it's holding at the highs. You know, Weight Watchers did its big move. It stopped. You know, this one, it's not. You know, it's a scalping stock. You know, you got to scalp this one right here because it's got the 5-cent spread. So unless you're a scalper, maybe consider that one. Same thing with this one. I like this one a little bit better though. For a scalp, the CSTM. This it's got a nice little trend, great volume, good spread. So that was one stock I probably would like a little bit more. The XXII had a big rally, nice little move from $1.40 to $2.40. Very inexpensive stock, not a penny stock for some of you here, but it's not terrible. I like that one also. Andrea almost forgot that one. Let me bring up that one. The EPZN. Oops. I spell it wrong? Yeah, M. I spelled it with an N. It's got good volume. Volume is light. It's a scalping stop, Andrea. That's the only thing. But definitely, yeah, watching above 14 is something you might want to look out for. All right. Fat, I would say garbage. I would say not really. I'm not too crazy about this one, Andrea. Okay. All right, hopping over here to New York Stock Exchange. I mean, this one got killed, never came back. We know it's a vitamin stock, never comes back, those vitamins or pharmaceuticals. But you could look at some of these things. My God, I mean, they're getting crushed. But you gotta make sure, be careful of that spread. But I think today was a really good short day. There's a lot of good shorts, guys. Listen, tip of the day: don't be scared of shorting stocks. Whatever goes up comes down twice as fast. So when it comes to shorting, you know, listen, there's a lot more money. I know it's not the American dream, what they say, but listen, if there's something there, we're looking great. And also, just want to bring up Ferrari really quick. We know what happened with Ferrari. Had that huge correction that came back off, but it's held here pretty strong. So I told you, I'm in it for the long haul when it comes to Ferrari. So we're looking awesome. We're basically up about 100% on our money since we jumped in. But I still like it. I think the stock, from seeing what happened and it didn't back off, buy on rumors, sell on news. Well, the news is out. It backed off and never really went anywhere, so that's also looking pretty good also. Amy says, I like the quick ride on the shorts. You know what? Ever since they passed the rule where you could short on a downtick, believe me, it's a great trade. All right? All right, everybody, so we got our list here. I'm going to put them in there. Hopefully all you new trial members here have been enjoying it and learning a lot. And for everyone else, listen, I hope you did great today. I know I did. So enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday. I mean, we still got an hour and 15 minutes to go, so let's see if we can squeeze out a little extra money out of it. But so far, it's been a really good August out starting off so far. All right? Okay, guys, listen, good luck today. If I don't see you, enjoy your weekend. If you're going to trade going to the close, let's see something, say something. All right?